Alright guys, hi, welcome back. Scott with Luxury Car Care. I'm sitting in the Model Y and moving along here. Interior got fully detailed, I think, on the last video, if I posted it that way. Everything looks great, so next step, now that the interior is done, is I'm going to put on my matte screen protector. Abstract Ocean, the premium matte screen protector. It's the 9H hardness one for the Model Y. So I think so the good news is it's a brand new car, and I did not take off the old, so cleaning this should be easy. I have the fan on the car off, and by the way, there's a video on their website, I think on YouTube for this, so I would suggest you go watch that really too, but I mostly just want to do this so you can kind of see me do it, and then it's supposed to be pretty easy, and then I'll give you my opinion of it. I'm not a huge fan of the matte. I think I'd rather have the clear one, but reflection while you're driving and stuff annoys the hell out of me, and that I think is going to outweigh the matte part of it. You know, not having the crystal clear screen. So I've decided to go for the matte. I think after I use it for a little bit, I'll just be so accustomed to it, I won't even remember it's matte anymore, and the glare won't be there. So that's why I went for the matte. So let's turn this on. Okay. So I think I'm new to this. So car, display, and then screen clean mode. Alright, so I think that is on. So I have the fans shut off in the car, just to limit any dust movement. And of course, I just took the screen protector off from the delivery, and of course it's super clean. Part of me says I don't even need to do anything, but I'm going to anyway. I think they say this, even if it's clean screen, this just helps bring down some of the static. So I'm just going to give it a quick wipe with the wet. I do see a little dust on the edges, so I think this is good to do. And I'm doing this right from the get-go because I just want to protect the screen. I don't want to have any risk. Alright. And then I say wipe it with the dry. It's a nice towel to keep clean. They say this screen has a similar coating to what your phone does, so it doesn't fingerprint as easy, and when it does get dirty, it's much easier to clean. So we'll see. Key is you just got to make sure there's no dust. I mean, you obviously don't want fingerprints or anything, which I didn't have anyway because the screen's never really been touched. But you got to make sure there's a lot of static, which you need, because that's how the screen's going to grab itself. The screen protector's going to grab itself to the screen. And then they give you basically stickers. So I see a few pieces of dust. So you're just supposed to stick it on, because the dust will, if it's underneath the new screen protector, will not allow it to adhere, and then you have what looks like a bubble, but it's because you have We got another one here, and we need it. So the new one now, they give you a frame up, so top. You're supposed to just slide this on. Yeah. Maybe. Okay. Fit pretty tight, actually. I'm surprised it's so tight. Alright. And then here's the screen. Now this should have it does a piece of backing on it. So it tells you back, left, up. So, and you can see how this peels off. So you know that's the back. That's what needs to be perfect. So this is how it fits on. Just they do a dry run in the video, which is actually not a bad idea. That's how it fits. It just sits on top of there, and you set it down and let it go up. So, okay, now there's more dust, of course. So. But it's pretty cool to watch when it grabs the screen. There's so much static. Alright, so then you peel. Obviously making sure not to touch the back of the screen. Touch the front of the screen, not the back of the screen. And then drop it in. No, it's not on. It's shifted. Of course it is. Ah. It was working. But I wasn't centered on the... Now I'm centered. You should see it fill if I don't have any dust. You definitely don't want to do this multiple times like this, but the screen looks totally clear. Damn it. Why is it not? It's not as easy as they say now it's centered. This is definitely operator error. Alright. There it goes. It's not that hard. I made it hard. Now there must be a piece of dust. That's it. And you don't even know it's there, which is beautiful. I think I'm going to be okay with the mat. We'll see. There it goes. There's a little tiny piece of dust on that edge and it was keeping the whole corner up. Weird. Alright. And then I think you just hold. That's what it looks like. Yeah, looks good. Can't even tell, I mean, I can't even tell the difference right now. We'll see when we're out in the light, but looks good. Thanks for watching. Go to Abstract Ocean if you are interested in it. I'm not getting any, I don't get any discount or anything from them. I'm just showing you what I like, what I've researched I've done and what I like. And I think I'm going to like the screen protector. And they also have a video for installation. So, thanks. See ya.